Hello, so today I will show you how to remove and then replace the logic board of Kodak Alaris i4650 scanner. So as usual, you are going to flip the scanner to its back so that you can be able to get access to the back cover. This is the back cover, and I'm going to remove all the screws on the back cover of this particular scanner. We have a lot of screws at the back. Just remove all the visible screws you can see on the back cover, and that should be able to take care of it. Now the reason why I want to remove this particular logic board is because of the USB port. The USB port is having issues. It's not connecting to the my computer to the computer. The scanner turns on normally, but when you try to connect the USB to the computer, it doesn't see the scanner. So I'm going to remove the logic board, and then I'm going to work on the USB port. So you can see the back cover is out. Now this is the logic board. The logic board is the one that has all the, you can see the white cables is attached to it on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you can see some cables attached to it. So this, now I'm going to take out all the visible screws I can see. Just take out all the visible screws you can see. It's going to take some time, but take your time, and remember all the screws. You have to keep all your screws in a safe place, and you're going to differentiate it, which one is coming from which part of this particular scanner, so as not to put a wrong screw into a wrong hole, and then you have to force it in, or after forcing it in, to be able to lose it out later in future will become an issue. So that is why you must, if possible, label which screw is coming out of which part of this particular scanner. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of videos on different scanner repairs. And while working on this particular logic board, you have to be very careful so as not to damage any component of the logic board, because this logic board is expensive. Not only that it is expensive, it is very scarce to be able to get a replacement for it, most especially in this part of the country where we are right now in Africa. To be able to get this part, you have to order it most of the time. If you're going to get the brand new one of it, you have to order it. So these are the screws. I'm going to keep them in a safe place. So most of the time you have to order it, and that will take a couple of weeks before it be able to get into the country. So that is why it is very careful to give this to a professional to fix for you, so as not to damage any part of this logic board. So you can see I'm going to take out all the cables. This cable is out, and then I'll take out the other cables on the other end gently, as gentle as possible. And this other cable too. So to be able to remove this cable easily, we have two clip on the two edge of the cable. Just press it down, and then you'll be able to remove it easily. So I will use my hand to just hold the two clip, and then I'll force it out gently. the same thing I'm going to do here. There is a clip I need to hold down while I gently push the cable out, so my hands can't get access to it, so I'm going to get a screwdriver to be able to push it down. So this is your logic board. It is out, and I'm going to work on the USB port. So thank you, and I'm going to see you some other time. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions on the repair of any part of this scanner or any other scanner at all, you can just hit me up in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.